Hey, what you do, YouTube? It's your boy Heavy Crypto. You already know what you do. On this channel, we always find ways to make money online with Satoshi Nakamoto himself and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So today I want to talk about no ones again because I see a lot of you been messaging me talking about no ones and asking questions. And yes, you have to ask questions because this is actually the best way to make money in 2024 right now. So you already know that I'm a derivatives trader and most of times I trade crypto arbitrage, but I found P2P really interesting because there is a lot of demand. A lot of people want to buy cryptos using other payment methods. So that's why I've been creating and making P2P videos for you guys so that you guys can also make money. So make sure you use the link in the description below. But let's get started. So basically, this is a dashboard of no ones. As you can see, it's really simple and user friendly. And this is my account right here that I've been using. So I want to show you how much I've made so far, as you can see, and we're gonna go through all the trades together. But what you can do right now is to create an account right now using the link in the description below at the end of this video, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to make money as well. I mean, I gave you the deal, right? So you have to use my link basically. So we already know that with P2P, all you have to do is create an offer, and then someone is gonna click your offer and they're gonna do a trade with you. But the whole point is they're gonna have to pay you a certain percentage, right? So we're talking about like 15%, 20%. All right, so that's the percentage that you're gonna charge, and that's your profit. So let's say if you create an offer to sell 5,000 worth of Bitcoin, and obviously you're gonna have to charge 15% or above the market price, and that's gonna be your profit. So you can take 15% of 5,000 rand and you're gonna make profit. So as you can see, I've got a trade right here, and this guy is willing to pay 5,000 rand via bank transfer, and I will make 15% or 16%. I think this is 15% offer. Let's just open it and check how many percentage is this offer. All right, so this is how exactly I've been making money and stuff like that. So you can see it says you're selling this amount of Bitcoin for 4,342 rand. Okay, so if you're in South Africa right now, it's gonna make sense to you because we're using rands right now. But it doesn't really matter where you are. You can be in Nigeria, you can be in India, you're still gonna make money with no one's P2P trading. So right now you can see that he's gonna deposit 5,000 to my bank account, and I'm gonna release 4,342 worth of Bitcoin, and I'll make approximately 700 rand if I'm not mistaken, because he has paid 5,000 rand and he's gonna get 4,300. So this is the whole point of P2P. You have to sell at a certain percentage. So let's talk about tricks and how exactly you're gonna take advantage of this market, guys. So basically, this is the marketplace. You're gonna have to go to the marketplace and check the offers. You're gonna have to check the offers. How much are other vendors selling for their Bitcoin? So I mean, to my surprise, this is insane. They actually sell like 10%. Most of them are selling at 10%, as you can see. 10%, 11%, 40%, and others go up to 30% above the market price. And that's how easy it is with no ones and P2P. So it's not only about bank transfer. We have Skrill, Cardless Cash, FNB e-wallet. Why don't you collect FNB e-wallet? Is actually a better way to make money. So basically with FNB e-wallet, if you're not in South Africa, this actually like they'll send money to a phone number, right? And then you're gonna go to the ATM, and then you're just gonna put the phone number and then put the pin. You're gonna withdraw the cash, and that's how easy it is. So let's say you are living in India and you have the same type of service, you can take advantage of it as well here on no one's. So we have a lot of vendors right here trading and making money every day, and this is why I've been recording no one's videos, because I also want you guys to try it out and take advantage of this P2P game. I mean, it's really worth it if you've been losing money like trading in derivatives. I mean, it's really worth it if you've been losing money trading derivatives and stuff like that. This is actually a way to go. This is what I suggest you to try it out. So the link to no one's is gonna be in the description below as well. But so far I've been making a lot of money because I'm charging 15% to 20% above the market price. So let me just show you my offers and how exactly I'm setting them, so that you guys can also do the same, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click to where it's written my offers. right there. So as you can see, these are my offers. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm charging like 15% about the market price. I mean, this is actually reasonable, right? You have seen all other vendors selling like 20% about the market price. I'm charging 15% because that's a percentage that I'm willing to take. But you're gonna have to be a little bit comparable, right? So you're gonna have to put your order, let's say at 10% or 11% or 12%, so that you're also gonna get a lot of clients and stuff like that. So let me know what you think about the platform in the description below as well, and the link to Noones is also gonna be in the description below as well. And this is actually the best platform to trade P2P in 2024. So it's not only about bank transfer. As I said, you can do cash, cardless cash, you can do gift cards, you can do all other stuff on this platform. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're helping the channel. If you enjoy this kind of videos of how to make money online with Bitcoin and stuff like that, this is the way to go. And make sure you join the most profitable Telegram group on the internet right now. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And shout out to the Trade Center, guys. These guys are really killing it. These are P2P guys that I met, and I made a couple of videos on this channel about the Trade Center. So if you want to know more about the Trade Center, make sure you check out the link, and it's going to be in the description below about the Trade Center as well. So without any further ado, guys, let me sign off. Therefore, I'll send you a video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.